Hello everyone, welcome to another pre-algebra video with Professor V. So today we're going to look at the addition property of algebra. So in the other video we had pluses and we were doing minuses, right? But the process that I showed in the other video is pretty much the same. We can simplify the expression, and if we can't simplify the expression, then we start doing the opposites to the equation. So So let's go ahead and just get started. So we have this y minus 7, right? Equals 16. Well, we cannot subtract these because 7 doesn't have a y, right? It's combining like terms. Now, if we go back to the integers, what we have is y plus negative 7, right? Keep change, change. We can turn this into an addition. And looking at just the addition, right? We can see that we cannot combine these like terms. So you don't need to do all this keep change change business, but I am going on about it because you do need to see that plus and subtraction are when we combine like terms, okay? So since we can't combine like terms, right, we go through PEMDAS. We can't do anything, right? 16's again, just by itself, so there's nothing to do. The only thing we can start doing is start going up. But these are baby problems, right? We see a subtraction, right? So there's only one thing to do, it looks like to me. This negative 7's in our way. So how do we get rid of minus 7, negative 7? We add positive 7 to it. Now we're going to add positive 7 to the 16 to keep balance, right? So we do the opposite, and we do it to both sides. So this will mean y is equal to, what is that? 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, right? And if we wanted to check this out, right, we could do 23 minus 7. And we borrow, right? Do all that good stuff if you wrote it in this form. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, so that's 6. 1 minus nothing is 16. So we know we did it right, right? 16 is equal to 16. Okay, so the next one they give us is k minus 42, and all of that equals 113. And like I tell you guys, some of these are easier if you watch the last video, right? If I put a box here, you could probably figure it out. It's not too hard of a problem. Here, though, this might take a little more work for us, right? So we do the same thing as usual. We go through PEMDAS. We say, all right, well, I cannot combine these. There's no like terms. There's no k on this 42. So I'm going to add the 42 to the other side. I must do the opposite since I'm working with the equation. So 42, negative 42 plus positive 42, 0, right? K plus 0, k. And then equals, well, 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 4, 5. And then 1 plus nothing, 1, right? So 155 is what it looks like. Now, if we wanted to check our answer, right, we can. We just simply do 155 minus 42 equals 113. So now we would do 5 minus 2, right? That would be 3. 5 minus 4, 1. And then, oh, did I do something wrong here? Oh, no, no. So 1 minus nothing is 1. Sorry. Guess I'm still a little sleepy. I was thinking there was a hundreds here, but there's not, right? So 1 minus 0 hundredths is just 1. So 113 equals 113. So we know we did it right. So off to the next one. So they again flip this stuff on us, right? So you're not allowed to flip your subtraction, but you are allowed to flip your equation, okay? So you are allowed to rewrite this as p minus 15 equals 19, okay? So notice I didn't flip the 15 to the beginning, right? I just took the whole expression, threw it to this side, and put the 19 on this side. And then we do the same thing, and you can solve it in this form. It just, after doing algebra for so long, we just like the variable on the left side. It's a little bit weird to say 23 equals y, right? It's better to say y equals 23 because the variable is what changes, right? Y could be 5, y could be 7, it could be any number of things. But anyway, so p plus 5 or p minus 15, right? Can't combine like terms, so we must do the opposite. And we must do it to both sides. So negative 15 plus 15, 0. P plus 0, 0, right? 5 plus 9 is 6. 18. Carrier 1, 36. So now we have p equals 36. We could plug it back in. And hopefully we did everything right. So minus 15 equals 19. So we add 15. Oh, sorry, we don't add 15 to both sides. We could do PEMDAS now, right? We can subtract these. They are like terms. There's no variable anymore. So 6 minus 5, 1, right? Oh, see, did I do something wrong? See, now I'm questioning it. And then 3 minus 1, 2. So the fact that we got 21 equals 19, something's off here. Let's see what I did wrong. Oh yeah, I'm off. Okay, so I messed up on the addition. I'm not gonna recreate a video, so if you're following along, I'm sorry, but what happened here was 9 plus 5 is 14, right? So we have P is equal to 4. Maybe I shouldn't do videos so early in the morning. So it's actually 34, okay? 9 plus 5 is 14, so I goofed up there. But that's why we check our answers, okay? And, if you do something wrong, I would encourage you guys to do it, It's not a big deal, I'm even as the teacher when I make mistakes with students, I'm like, we're human. Doing this part, it's okay. Not getting that you need to add when you subtract, that's the one where it's gonna hinder you more. But anyways, so we can do 4 take away 5, so I'm already liking this better. Because then that means we have to borrow, right? Make it 15. So now we could do 4 minus 15, which is 9. There we go. 2 minus 1 is 1. 19 equals 19. And this is really why we do the check, right? There's so many human things that we can do wrong, so hopefully this will make you guys realize that you guys are doing all right, Math, I can't say is easy, but if you keep practicing, you will get better. So anyway, so now we have u minus 399. So hopefully you guys are following along. I'm already flipping it on you. 501. Okay. So now we add 399, right? I'm gonna go a little bit faster because I used up some time to fix my boo-boo. So 399. So here we get u, right? That's the basic one. 1 plus 9, 10. Carry the 1. 9 plus 1, 10 again. Carry the 1. And then 5, 6, 7, 8, so 900. So u is equal to 900. Careful, that's not a 4, that's a u. Okay, so u is equal to 900. So now we could plug everything back in, right? I'll probably do it on the side, so, well, wasn't even the borrowing that I messed up on, but I probably do it on the side anyway. This one's a little bit tricky, right? If we don't have it in a vertical form. So I'm just going to take a little space here. So 900 minus 399. So a lot of borrowing here, right? So we need to borrow, make it 8. That's a 10. Although that's going to borrow and turn into a 9 right away. And then this will finally be a 10. Okay. So 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. 8 minus 3 is 765. So after this subtraction, what we get is 501, not and 1. 501 is equal to 501. Okay, so we did it correctly. And this is the so-called addition property of algebra. I hope this is useful, you guys. There is a lot more problems in that OpenStax book. The link is in the description. So please like and subscribe if this helped you understand some algebra. Comment down below if something's a little confusing, and also comment down below if there's other math you're struggling with, okay? I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.